Pag naman na lumalabas tayo, Doc, when we are usually out of in the public, gaano ba dapat kadalas tayo gumamit ng disinfectant or ng mga alcohol and hand sanitizer?
A good advice would be to wash at least every hour.
Aha.
But of course, it's not always possible to have soap and water. At the very least, you should remember to wash when you have been in a public place, when you have touched items or surfaces that are usually frequently touched by other people. For example, mga light switch, door handle, mga ATM buttons, tables, shopping carts, or pag may humawak ka sa ibang tao, halimbawa you shook hands or ikaw ang hinawakan, then please don't forget, before touching anything else, especially your face, your mouth, hands, or eyes, kailangan mag-wash ka ng kamay ulit. So usually every hour would be safe, but again, be conscious of what you touch kasi maaring may ibang humawak dun eh.
Yan. And gaya nga nang nasabi mo kanina, Doc, na it's really important for us to disinfect our hands by hand washing and of course by using alcohol. Yung bang sanitizer is also effective with in fighting against this virus?
Yes. Hand sanitizer and 70% alcohol, particularly the ethyl alcohol, are acceptable substitutes to hand washing.
How about yung mga gloves, Doc? Is it really advisable to wear it as well, especially kung lalabas ka?
There has been a debate about using of gloves. Ngunit sa panahon ngayon, ang advice is it's not required. It's not a standard to use gloves when you are outside, especially since kung COVID ang ating iniisip, hindi naman ingested ang virus. Even if you swallow it, hindi ka mahahawa. Usually the danger is pag nahinga mo yung virus. Or napunta siya sa nose mo. At I think it would be more practical na tayo, again, bumalik tayo sa paghuhugas ng kamay with soap and water or use of alcohol or alcohol. The good news is that hindi tumatagos sa skin natin. Sa intact skin, hindi tumatagos yung virus. So the gloves are not required to be worn. Or hindi rin siya practical kahit kung marami tayong gloves, hindi pa rin siya practical na gamitin sa labas. Kasi even if you're wearing gloves, you touch a dirty surface and then you touch your face, then you still put yourself at risk of getting infected. So it's the same. We just generate more waste.
Yeah, that's correct. That's correct.
To learn more about first aid, emergency preparedness, and disaster awareness, don't forget to click the subscribe button.